Shorty, I see what you all wanna let you know I'm proud to know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be perfect just without you. If I want it, when I ask you for it, you inspire me to be better. Challenge me for the better. That's when you know my love letter. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, so y'all, this is my first time doing a voiceover, and this is the first wig install video on my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a wig install tutorial. I guess will it be a tutorial? It's not really a tutorial because I kind of don't know what I'm doing either. But y'all, this is the Butta Sensational Unit 3 wig, and this is my first time working with a synthetic wig. Normally, I just put on my wigs that was already installed for me. I know how to do that, but this is my first time like cutting the lace and all of that. What was I finna say? Okay, so y'all, the last person that did my wig install, she did this to me, and I just started doing it on my wig installs because I don't know if it's a difference. I don't know if it melts the lace even more, girl, I don't know, but I've been doing it ever since. So yeah, I think I was saying before that this is a beginner friendly type of wig. If you want to practice, this is a good wig to start off with because it comes plucked, all of that, you know. Yeah, so now I'm about to go in with my Got to Be Glue spray. I see people use like the actual wig glue to like lay down a wig cap, but I haven't experienced. I never did that myself. I'm not gonna mess nothing up. I'm gonna go what I normally know what to do, what I normally go with, if I'm making sense. But yeah, I'm just cutting the ear tabs off. Yeah, y'all. It is mad funny to me because I don't know what to say for real. But yeah, I'm just going in doing that, and then now I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit. I don't have a blow dryer yet, so I need to go buy me a blow dryer. But I was letting the air dry a little bit, cutting that off, you know. I'm gonna come back when I got something to say because I don't know what I'm saying right now. Y'all don't even know how many times I recorded this clip over and over and over. I don't think these voiceovers is for me because I want to be able to get done and be done with the video and not have to keep constantly record over and over. But I am going in with my cream foundation. As y'all can see, I'm just going to put it all over my cap, the front, the middle, you know. And then I'm gonna go in with my other foundation, y'all, because it just wasn't blended in for me. So I was just mixing something up, and if it comes out right, it do, and if it don't, then girl, it don't. So now I'm gonna go in with my alcohol wipe. Why am I out of breath? Why am I out of breath? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my alcohol wipe to wipe off any excess oils and makeup that's on my face. And then now I'm gonna put the wig on now so I can see if it goes. Because if it don't go, I'm just not gonna put the wig on. But I'm gonna just see if it matches my skin. And look at it, y'all. So this is the lace. This is how it looks. It got the middle part and then the front, the little front of the wig out. It's not a 360, none of that. It's just a simple, cute wig. They do have like the ones where you can do side part 13 by 6. That's what it is, 13 by 6. They do have those ones. But I didn't get that one. So yeah, we're gonna work with this little part wig. Girl, look at me. I felt like something. Okay. So yeah, y'all gonna see. Y'all see that part in? Y'all see the lace? Look at me, y'all. I felt like something. But yeah, keep watching the video, y'all, for the results. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to record the process. I think I was getting a little irritated with the process, so I think I just turned the camera off for a second. But I used the even spray to spray down and lay my wig, and it's laying down. It's laying down, y'all. It's laying down pretty good. And that even stuff, it works for real. So if you need something quick, it's gonna work for you. Better go get that black can of even spray. But yeah, y'all, I'm just cutting the lace, and y'all, I just kept getting irritated. Y'all gonna see me throughout the end of this video because y'all, I was just getting so irritated. But I'm just wiping off the glue, well, the spray, whatever you want to call it, the holding spray. I'm wiping it off with my towel, a little bit of alcohol on it, so I won't have that residue on my face. And now I'm about to lay down my edges, and yeah, they already come with edges, but I cut them down because they were too long for my preference. But this, I can tell y'all, this wig was pretty much easy. Like, all you gotta do is just know how to put it on, and it's there. It's already done for you. So I'm just laying down my edges, y'all, and just watch me, y'all, because I'm getting a little bit irritated at this point.
30 hertz straight up.
Okay, so now I'm just going in with my wand curler to like lay it a little bit more flat. I have a hot comb, but I was scared because I might have burnt the hair or something. I was just a little bit, it's just too risky for me. And then I was scared to put mousse on the hair. Like, what can you put on the hair? What can you really put on the hair besides water? Because I was a little scared. I don't want to burn nothing up. But yeah, y'all, this was the end results. Not too much on my sideburns, y'all, because I'm still practicing. But yeah, get y'all one of these wigs off of Amazon, because it's a good practice wig, and it comes out cute a little bit. You kind of can't tell it's synthetic. You can't. And it's HD lace. I forgot to tell y'all, it's HD lace. But yeah, it came out cute. I did a little kind of half up, half down little thing, and I went out that night, y'all. Period. Period. Don't even play with it. But yeah, go get y'all one of these wigs, okay? And this is gonna be the end of my video. Thank y'all for watching. Not too much on me, y'all, because it's my first voiceover. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. I'm really about to become a hairstylist. Like, where is the fucking lace? Please.